Hi, I'm Keith. I'm with Hippo Bitcoin ATMs. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use one of our Bitcoin ATMs, buy $5 worth of Bitcoin, and it's going to hit my wallet. So, hit the screen, hit buy Bitcoin. I'm going to select $1 to $499. It's going to say camera turning on. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit receive on my blue wallet. It's a wallet you can download from your app store. I'm going to scan on either this little scanner up here or the camera up here. I'm going to choose the scanner down here. Now it's going to ask me for how much money I'm going to put in. I'm going to put $5 worth of Bitcoin. It'll show up right here, $5. I hit confirm purchase. And spit out my receipt and got my Bitcoin.